Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. Good afternoon, everybody, or morning, whatever it is your time. Here's my little road crossing scene I'm working on. I got the railroad flashing road crossing lights installed. Now I'm going to spend some time and get them wired up. So that's one project I'm doing. The other thing I'm doing is hooking up the IRV sensors for the in-track sensors to activate the crossing on the trains. Anyway, I had to come all the way back here to my cab 3 to get a serial port that was open, and then run another line all the way down here, as you can see. And then under the layout right here, I have another serial box, and they have one in and one out. Now I can put other sensors to this, but I had to run another cable 20 foot long all the way down and around to somewhere under here. Where did it go? To right here. So that gets it from there. And if I want to put some more sensors or something up here, I can. But to get it where I'm going, it goes all the way down the layout again. And I had to order another box because they don't have it. But where all those cables are hanging, I'll have another serial box there. And then these two cables, they connect to the in-track sensors right there. And those activate the horns on the train to automatically start blowing the railroad crossing signal. And there, of course, there's the signals I just showed you. And then about 4 feet down the other side, just on this side of that one switch, is the other two sensors to come from the other direction. And here's the other two track sensors to blow the horns for the crossing signal, which is right there. These are the wires that hang down from the 3 different signals. So I got to get all that tied together, get power to them, and then figure out how to activate sensor them. Here's a look under the layout. Here's my little switch control modules. This one's for the 14 volt. This one's for the 4.5 volt, like Menards and all that. That's the little power regulator module. Brings it down to this little amplifier circuit, which goes to the speaker. And then that connects over here to the bell circuit. And I'm just testing it with a 9 volt battery for right now. But all this other wiring goes over here to those jumpers, and over there for the 2 over the track lights. This one I still have to get power run to for the little other cross bucks. That one uses 12 volts, so I got to get a power reducer to it and then tie them all together and then figure out how to trigger it. Well, I got some of them hooked up just to test them. Still got to do the other ones and get the right voltages and then figure out how to trigger it. I can also adjust the bell volume. Anyway, come back and see us.